Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to set song as ringtone on Android phone. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go through these settings into your device. And now here on the settings, go for sounds and vibration. And now you should be able to see here ringtone. So tap on ringtone. And if you have a dual SIM phone, you should be able to select whether to change the SIM 1 or SIM 2. I'm gonna go for SIM 1, for example. And from here, you should be able to see all of the default ringtone. Now, if you want to add a ringtone, you could just simply select the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and down below, go for folders. And here on the folders, you should be able to see here your storage into your device. And you could just simply go to the download and you should be able to see here your downloaded music. So now you could also go ahead and go to the browser. Now you could also go to the browser and go to pixabay.com, and you could go for the music tab, and you should be able to download some music over here that you could set a ringtone by tapping on the download icon over here. And when you go to the ringtone, you should be able to see the song that you have downloaded. And after that, just simply select down on the top right corner, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.